I'm about to run you through exactly why your AI generated LinkedIn posts are not converting at all and how you can start to fix that today. So, a lot of people, when they're creating these posts, what they do is they just tell AI, like, hey, please, 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 please make me a LinkedIn post that's amazing for thought leadership. And I run this kind of business. Okay. That is the root of the problem. I'm going to get right into it. If you do that, keep watching this video because that is the problem. So, that's what most people do. They'll tell AI, hey, please make me a post for thought leadership for LinkedIn. Okay. Now, what this does is it causes the AI to have to do a few things. So, number one, the AI needs to think of what to say, and then needs to create a story, and then needs to write the story. Now, this is a process that AI is horrible at. And now let me explain why. It's good at writing stories. Okay, like it's a good writer. We can all agree with that. Like this is good at. Creating a story, horrible. Thinking of what to say, horrible. So how do we use AI correctly? I want to keep this video really short because it's really, really simple. Most people just aren't doing it. We think of what to say. Okay, so we have a human do this. Mind my beautiful drawings. Then we create the story based on our own unique perspective and experiences. And then after we've done that, we then have AI write that story real nice. So let me walk you through what a prompt would look like if we were doing something like this. It would say, I'm just going to take a random example. Let's say I climbed a mountain in Peru and I want to write a LinkedIn post about how, that made me motivated to work hard and endure or whatever. Okay. That's just an example I thought of. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, think of a creative pursuit I can write about, which is, the mountain. Then I'm going to write out the entire post myself. Then I'm going to give it to AI and say this really, really simple prompt. Please make this better, but keep it in my voice. And then I'm going to insert insert my own writing. That's it. That's it. That's it. And one more thing here, the way to do that is not by using, GPT or not by using Gemini. It's actually by using a new tool that I really like a lot called GenSpark, which actually combines a lot of these tools together. So we'll actually choose which the best AI is to use in real time to make sure that it sounds the best. So again, instead of just telling AI, make me a post for thought leadership for LinkedIn, think of a creative pursuit you can write about. Use your own creativity, your own mind, your own thoughts, because that's the only thing that's going to make it actually human. Then write out the entire post yourself, and then give it to AI and say, hey, please make this better, but keep my voice, and then insert your own writing and use GenSpark. It's really, really simple. Just do this instead. Please, I know it's a little bit more work. It's not a lot more work because you can make a really rough draft. When I say write the entire post yourself, it does not have to be perfect. You don't have to edit it because AI will do it for you. Just make a rough draft. If you don't do this, you are literally creating AI slop. You are contributing to the dead internet theory. If you do this, that all changes. If you do this, you simply have a creative, original idea that's great, and AI just makes it a little bit better.